Hey everyone! It's time to explore how generative AI and role-playing games like Dungeons & Dragons are coming together. Can AI actually play the role of a dungeon master? That's what we're going to dig into today. We've witnessed AI making waves in strategy games like chess and even video games like Unreal Tournament. But now, it's starting to encroach on our beloved tabletop RPGs. And believe me, this topic is heating up. Back in 2018, a study suggested that games could be one of the best testing grounds for artificial intelligence. They believe games like Dungeons & Dragons, with their infinite possibilities, collaborative players, and lack of clear win conditions, could effectively measure AI's progress. Fast forward to 2019, when OpenAI released GPT-2, a large language model capable of crafting narratives. This was a game-changer and hinted at a future where AI could contribute to our gaming sessions. We first saw AI in action with products like AI Dungeon. Sure, it showed us a taste of having a computer as our dungeon master. But honestly, the adventure sometimes turned into complete absurdity. Picture this. You're in a fight, and your AI dungeon master wraps it all up in a single response, skipping all the action. It just doesn't have that nuanced touch of a human DM. And if you play for too long, sometimes it forgets what happened. That's a hard no for many fans. Some developers are stepping up to create alternatives. Look at Hidden Door, which promises to put players in worlds like The Wizard of Oz or Call of Cthulhu. Unfortunately, my experience felt pretty choppy. The story would jump from one random scene to another without meaningful connections. In one game, I was being chased, then caught, then escaping over and over, and it wasn't fun. It felt like I was in a strange dream where nothing made sense. Now, let's talk about something more promising, Friends and Fables. This innovative RPG uses AI but also comes with character sheets and XP tracking. Created by indie devs, this game brought back some familiar vibes of a classic D&D session. I got immersed in a storyline right from the start, interacting with NPCs and going on quests. It felt like a real D&D game. Although, I have to mention one quirky thing. The AI kept mentioning intricately carved wooden boxes way too often. It had me laughing but also feeling a little puzzled. Creators like Lou and Melnichuk really focused on improving the AI's function. They say it learns the game rules without needing to be explicitly programmed for every detail. Imagine having an AI that already knows D&D's SRD and can navigate its world. They see their project as helping people have RPG experiences where friends can't get together. Who hasn't found it hard to gather a group? It's a real struggle for many, and they've seen the need for an AI that respects that. This also opens up a community aspect where people share their experiences and what they think should improve. The developers have admitted they're continuously tweaking the system based on user input. Isn't that awesome? Feeling like you're part of something bigger can really strengthen those online connections, especially when we're too busy to meet face-to-face. But let's not skip over something crucial. Ethics. The debate on AI in gaming hits hard in the community. For instance, when Wizards of the Coast got flack for AI-generated art, it sparked conversations on ownership and creativity. Are we losing touch with true artistic expression? Are we just borrowing from the past without any credit? People are passionate about this, and rightly so. The struggle to balance creativity with AI-generated content is a hot topic right now. Companies like Hidden Door are trying to navigate this too. They emphasize the importance of using ethically sourced training data. They believe writers should be compensated, and there's ongoing dialogue about how to ensure creators benefit from new tech, not lose out. This is vital for keeping the arts alive amidst all this AI hype. It's about finding that sweet spot where technology supports artistry rather than overshadows it. Creators like Lou from Friends and Fables see AI as a tool, not a replacement. Picture this. An AI art generator enhances your storytelling by creating visual content you can't afford to commission on the spot. It opens doors for creativity, making campaigns more immersive, but it raises questions about crediting original works. So, while it's cool to have AI alongside us, we have to be responsible about it. At the end of the day, we love D&D for the connections it builds, the adventures we craft together, and the stories we tell. AI can enhance that, but it shouldn't replace what we cherish about tabletop gaming. The laughter, the tension, the unexpected moments, they're all part of the fun. And don't you think that's worth preserving? So, how do we balance tech with tradition? It's a conversation worth having. As we conclude our journey into AI and RPGs, I'm reminding you all how much I appreciate your support and input. Your perspectives help me grow and refine this channel. Would you like to see more discussions on AI and gaming? Maybe a deeper dive into community shifts in RPGs? Share your thoughts. Let's build a space where we can learn and grow together. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and let's keep this dialogue alive. And remember, while AI can have its quirks, the heart of role-playing will always lie in our collective imagination and shared experiences. So, get out there, gather your friends, and let those dice roll. Whether it's traditional tabletop sessions or something new and tech-driven, embrace the diversity in gaming. There's something out there for everyone. In closing, as we navigate through these changes, Let's celebrate the creativity in all its forms, whether through traditional means or through innovative AI support. The more we explore, the more we can adapt and shape our hobby. Thank you all for sticking around till the end. Your engagement means a lot, and I can't wait to see where this journey takes us next.